These are not normal chicken sounds. This is a rooster telling his hens he's got treats for them. This is one of the many things a good rooster will do for his flock. Some of the hens keep a distance because sometimes Mr. Nugget, the rooster, lies about treats. Mr. Nugget is a teenage rooster still learning how to be a rooster. Sometimes he can be very desperate to dominate the hens, and he will play tricks on them. Tricks like pretending he has treats to attract the ladies over to him so he can grab them and pin them down. This time, he's not playing any tricks though. He's really alerting to treats. Now is a good time for the hens to get water as the rooster doesn't seem to be on a hormonal rampage. They also use the time to grab a quick snack. The squeaky one is named Dusty. Mr. Nugget has got his eye on these hens. Dusty senses that he's on a hormonal prowl and defensively positions herself. It's enough to deter Mr. Nugget for now. She sees him coming over again, so she shifts defensively another time. Smart girl. The other hen is not as responsive until he gives a growl and she flees. Mr. Nugget is frustrated. He contemplates his life choices. He still contemplates his life choices. He does this for quite some time. Then he gives an attempt to display dominance. This smart girl Dusty senses his frustration and repositions again. He asserts dominance again by telling her to let him get water. She obliges. Do you hear her faint squeaks? Dusty is so squeaky, I feel like I should have named her Mouse. She gets water again and is joined by her friend who is unnamed for now. I can't tell you how great the nipple waterers work for my flock. They love them and it reduces mess. Two other hens, Honey and Spicy, hide in between Unnamed and Dusty. They're thirsty too, but it also seems like the rooster may be in a hormonal domination mood. I'm speeding this up a little bit. The rooster tells Dusty to make room for him again at the waterer. She agrees as always. My other hen, Spicy, tells Dusty to move too. Can you guess where Dusty falls in this pecking order? The rooster enters the hen's space. He gives another treat call, but the girls ignore him. So he pulls up on them, and they are not having it. See, they disperse. Dusty is constantly repositioning herself. She will not be got by Mr. Nugget. Mr. Nugget is getting frustrated with the lack of attention. Can you hear his frustration in how he's eating? It's so aggressive. He's really taking his frustration out on the food. I've never heard this sound from my hens before, Let Dusty know you're proud of her vigilant defensive positioning by giving this video a massive thumbs up. And if you like video breakdowns of flock interactions like this, hit subscribe. These soft peeps remind me of when the flock were all just day old baby chicks. The rooster continues to assert his spot in the pecking order. See how Dusty walks away? Tension is rising. You can tell tension is rising as Mr. Nugget approaches the other hen and she runs away and does the same flapping. Can you feel the tension? The rooster has words for Dusty. Dusty has words for Nugget in return. Mr. Nugget gets the last word. She hears him and decides to hide with the other hens from him. They hear me coming. I imagine these are shh noises, like seriously zip it noises. What do you think?